Hi, thank you for joining me for math today. So in math today, we are going to be learning and talking about some stories. So here you can see I have a farm. And on my farm, I have 3 bears. And then 3 bears got joined by their 2 purple bear friends. So my question is going to be, how many total bears are on the farm? So I'll count all of my bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on my piece of paper, I'm going to write the total, which was 5. And if I even wanted to, I could write the word bears. Bears. Ooh, this is hard to write on. Bears. So I have 5 bears total. Okay, we're going to clear it and try another one. Let's see. All right, let's see. I have 4 blue bears, and they are joined by 3 more bears. How many total bears are on the farm? Okay. So if you need to pause me so that you can count them all, then you can pause the video. Make sure that you have something to write on and something to write with so you can write the total amount. All right. So we had 4 bears and 3 more bears joined in. Our total number of bears is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bears. Awesome. All right, let's do another one. Okay, for the next one, I have 4 red bears on the farm and 4 blue bears join the farm. How many total bears are on the farm? So count all those bears. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video. Okay. Let's count all of our bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bears on the farm. Awesome. All right, here is our next one. So I have 8 bears that are already living on the farm. 2 bears have decided to join them. How many total bears are on the farm? Okay, let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bears total on the farm. Wonderful. Let's do another one. Okay, this one I decided to use the fun colored bears. So I have 6 bears living on a farm, and 3 bears are joining the farm. How many bears are in all? So count all of the bears, please. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bears are in all. So make sure that you're writing your answers somewhere. So it would be 9. And then I'm going to write the word bears so I know what we're talking about. Ooh, the E's are hard for me on this. Bears. Awesome. Okay, so that is all that I'm going to give for you to practice with today. But if the person that you're working with wants to give you some more, or you want to do some more, then you know how to get to this program and you guys can practice some more. All right, enjoy!